Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're gonna make tiramisu with the Italian panettone, espresso, and the mascarpone cheese. I got this recipe from David Rocco. It's delicious, and I'll take you along to show you how to make it. Easy, and delicioso. Very first thing that you want to do is you want to take the panettone, cut it up into slices. Okay, put it on your pan because you're going to throw that in the oven for about, I don't know, 5-10 minutes, not even, just to toast it. Okay, just to toast it up. While you got the panettone in the oven toasting, you're getting your espresso ready. Okay, because you're gonna need some l'espresso coffee for this experiment. Okay, now that we got everything ready, we're going to mix everything else up and get it ready, and then mix it all together and call it a tiramisu with the panettone. So we're going to get 5 eggs and separate them. So we're going to put the yolk. You know what it means to separate. The yolk, the white, we're going to separate everything. So now what we're going to do is we're going to set aside the white with the yolk. We're going to add 5 tablespoons of sugar, 5 eggs, 5 tablespoons of sugar. So 5 eggs, 5 tablespoons of sugar, 500 grams of the mascarpone cheese. Everything is 5, 5, 5. As long as you remember the 5s, easy peasy. That looks really nice. It's starting to look like creamy. Yeah, let's say creamy. Okay. So now we're going to add the mascarpone cheese. I'm going to add this whole tub because it asks for 500 grams. This is 475, which, you know what? Pretty close to 500 grams. So that's what I'm adding. Whip it up, and it's going to be like a custard. Beautiful. Okay, let's see. Beautiful. This is looking really nice. Very creamy. Looks like a beautiful custard. See that? Beautiful. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to beat the egg white. It's starting to thicken up. Beautiful. Looks like whipped cream. Gorgeous. See? Nice. So now we're going to put that aside. And now I'm just waiting on, like, oh, look who just showed up. Thank you. Say hi, William. Hi. Lifesaver. I wanted to make all this, and you know what? I couldn't make it because I didn't have the cream. So he went to go get the cream for me. Thank you so much. We're going to also use the whole thing because this is 473 ml. And the recipe asks for 500. Close enough for me. And we're going to beat this up and see what happens. Perfect. So now what we're going to do, once I get this out of my hair, so there's the cream that we whipped up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take everything and mix it in with the custard. So we got the egg whites, give that a little mix, and the cream. Give it a little mix, and then we're ready to go. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to dunk the panettone into the espresso coffee. Just dab it, William. I got my helper
on both
here.
Sides? Or just the one?
Both sides. Just dab it. We don't want it to be soggy.
Okay.
So as William is doing that part, I got this ready
So just leave this?
to put on top. Beautiful. See, we're making tiramisu with the panettone. Okay, now hold on, because now I gotta put some of this in here. So now your next layer, put it this way, like put it the opposite way. That's perfect.
So what is this? Espresso?
Yeah.
Oh.
Espresso coffee. See, ladies and gentlemen, very easy to make. My soon-to-be 22-year-old is helping. Pretty easy, eh, William?
Yeah. I mean, I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah. I got no clue what's going on. I don't even know what this is for, but okay. Sure.
It's okay, when you eat it, you're gonna like eating it.
Yeah, I guess I'll have to wait and see.
Yeah.
So then should I put it like that? Like stack them on top of each other because you wanted
Well,
it like this? Or should we just leave that side like that?
Leave that side like that. Put
Are
it
you
down.
sure? Because, look, because then this is gonna, because then that could fit there.
Okay.
And then this last one.
That last one, you can put it over here. Beautiful.
Look at that. There you go.
Beautiful. Okay, move this out of the way from me so we can bring this in. That's my sous chef. Okay.
Yes, chef. Yes, chef.
Okay, now help me. You hold that.
I got you. You don't have to hold it.
We're gonna pour this over.
Ooh.
This is the mascarpone mixed with the egg.
Ah, the gabagool I find cool though.
Hey, no. There's no swearing allowed over here. If you're gonna start swearing, then you're fired.
Oh, okay. Sorry, chef.
Oh. Is there any more?
There's a little bit at the bottom, but like it's not a lot. Just like there. Yeah.
Beautiful. Thank you, sous chef. Yeah. Beautiful. Look at that. Okay. Do we have any chocolate that we can put on this?
Chocolate? I mean, I have mini eggs.
Mini eggs?
I don't think that'll go.
No. You know what? We're gonna have to settle with some sprinkles.
Ooh.
I don't have any. What's it called? Here, William. Sprinkle some chocolate sprinkles on there. Here.
Alright, so what you guys want to do, you want to take your sprinkles and put them in your hand, because you don't like doing it, I don't like doing it out of the box, because sometimes it's too much. And you got to put it to where your fingers are. You just try to open your fingers a little bit, and that's it. You just sprinkle it around. See? Rather than putting the whole little box over the thing, and you just make a mess. So you don't need a lot of sprinkles. One more?
A little bit more, yeah.
Okay, yeah, I know you like sprinkles.
I know you like sprinkles.
I don't like sprinkles. For me, I don't care.
Perfect. Okay. So that's it. That's ready to go into the fridge. We're going to put it in the fridge for a couple of hours and enjoy it. There you go. Can you see it? Thanks to my William for helping. Shout out, William.
No problem. Bye. Love you. Bye. Love you, Mom.
I love you too. Bye.